Welcome to Protect Nature. In today's video, we're diving into some of the most shocking and awe-inspiring natural disasters ever captured on camera. From devastating earthquakes to powerful tsunamis, these real-life events show the raw power and unpredictability of nature. Join us as we explore 50 incredible moments that remind us of the importance of respecting and protecting our planet. Let's get started. Oh my God! The black tornado is so big, it feels like it's trying to swallow everything. Too terrible. The tornado is very strong. It is coming towards me. The tornado was blowing everything up into the air, so scary. Oh my God! The tornado is about to blow my car away. So scared, lightning struck only 100 meters away from me. So terrible, thunder and lightning seemed to tear the black sky before my eyes. The storm is blowing the roof off the house. It's terrible. A giant tornado is trying to suck everything up into the air. The storm is knocking down a huge tree stump. Oh my God! The storm was so strong that it blew the chair away. The volcano emitted black smoke hundreds of meters high. The volcano is about to erupt. It is very close to me. Oh my God, the giant clouds seem to swallow the car. Oh my God, the mountain is falling down. Too dangerous for the car and the people standing nearby. Flash flood was sweeping away everything it came across. The flood is sweeping away buildings. So scary. A factory is being flattened by flash floods. It's terrible. The flood was so strong, it was sweeping away and swallowing the small town. Oh my God! The ancient tree was split in two by a lightning strike. Our car was closer to the tornado than ever. The house and surrounding landscape were too weak before the storm. Too dangerous. Extremely strong tornado burns high-voltage power lines. The earthquake collapsed the high-rise building. Too dangerous. The giant tornado seemed to want to swallow everything around. The house was swept away by the flood. Hopefully no one was inside. Oh, a giant waterspout over the sea with thunder and lightning. The rising river water is sweeping away the small house. Oh, a volcano is erupting. Everyone run away now. I'm very concerned about the cars. The hail is so big. The storm brought heavy rain and a tornado that blew everything away. The storm is too big, too dangerous to move. The lightning was so strong that it hit the plane. The black tornado is trying to swallow everything it passes through. The flood came so fast, it's sweeping through the town. The dust storm is hitting the city right before my eyes. Oh my God, the storm is about to blow the car away. The earthquake shook so strongly that everyone on the street was frightened. The waterspout was so big, hope the little house is okay. A big lightning strike down the field not far away, too dangerous. The storm blew the roof off the house. Hopefully, there is no further damage. Oh my God, I hope the excavator operators are okay. The tornado is coming towards my farm. The earthquake was so strong that people on the street became chaotic. So terrible, the flood passed and completely submerged the town. So fierce, the flood seemed to want to sweep everything away. Oh my God, what a lucky car! Too dangerous, rocks and soil fell down and buried the road. The mountains seemed to collapse before our eyes. The flood swept the barge away. Oh my God, why don't they run away right now? It's really dangerous. The snow mountain is collapsing on the small house. Too terrible. The snow mountain is falling down. Thank you for joining Protect Nature on this journey to explore these incredible and haunting natural disasters. The powerful moments we have witnessed not only remind us of the destructive power of nature, but also the importance of protecting the environment and preparing for emergencies. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next exciting content. Let's protect the Earth together, our only home. See you in the next video from Protect Nature.